Hey guys, WRB here. Probably wondering where I've been. It's been quite a few months since I've uploaded a video on the Grand Am, but it really hasn't done much. I've just let it sit for a while, and well, just over the winter, because I don't drive it in the snow and stuff. Okay, so the app is failing me, but I think I know what's going on. I kept saying the name of this camera, and it's got that voice recognition software, and it was stopping everything. So hopefully you didn't hear that. But anyways, yeah, it's been a few months. Gonna do just a point of view test drive and talk to you guys about things, and hopefully this picks up my recording pretty well. Hopefully I have enough battery too, so let's go ahead and get started. Starts right up pretty good. I had the wheels turned a little bit because I wanted to get a cool shot, but the software didn't like it, so turn the heat down so you guys can hear. The car's not perfect. I mean, you can see the radio display is kind of out. There, now it's back on. So, runs good so far. Definitely needs a alignment, because as you can see, the wheel is kind of turned to the left a little bit, but it is what it is. But I'm not sure how the audio is going to be on this camera, because I got a little case around it, but we'll see. Hopefully it's good. If not, I'll go back out and do another video some other time. But let's do a quick acceleration run. Or maybe not, because we got a horse and buggy here. I can't see around it. Oh, we got multiple. Ah, of course he's going to turn. Come on. There, you guys get a bit of the scenery of what I have to put up with here. Dodging horse crap and dodging these guys. Drives me nuts. Look at all this. It's like a slalom. Whee! It's actually kind of fun sometimes. But yeah, it runs good. Car runs really good. I'm going to put a new exhaust on it this spring, and I think that's it. I'm going to get the rust spot on the roof that I showed you a long time ago. I'm going to get that fixed. But yeah, exhaust, alignment, rust, and that's it. Yeah, I've got 246 miles since the repair. Problem-free, knock on wood. Yeah, 246 miles, problem. Look at all this horse crap. Look at all this I have to dodge. This is ridiculous. Just gonna keep going until something else breaks. So, we'll see. I did a little loop-de-loop earlier, and there's a cop sitting right there. He's gone now. State Highway Patrol, just sitting right there, hiding. Sneaky. Don't know where he is. But, yeah. I want to do an acceleration run somewhere, but I don't want to... how does this intersection work? You know what? We'll just go this way, because we can. You know what? I'm going to swing down another road and do one of those acceleration runs. Like, I don't want to harp on this thing too hard, because, I mean, it's got 183,000 miles, and I don't want to ruin it. I still have the Cruze. Unfortunately, I've replaced the valve cover. You know how I was having that leaky oil issue. I replaced that valve cover twice. Now I got a fuel smell, a severe fuel smell, and I don't know where it's coming from. I took it into the dealer. They don't know where it's coming from. They want to start by replacing the injector O-rings, which is $443, but they don't even know if that's the problem. So I'm just dealing with, I'm suffocating with a fuel smell, and it just is what it is at this point. All right, here's an acceleration run. Here we go. Runs good. Not the quickest thing in the world, and that was a pretty good uphill acceleration, but faster than my Cruze by a long shot. And this Amish guy's turning around like, what? Aw, shoot. All that horse crap. Dodged it. Anyways, Amish guy's turning around like, what was that sound? Because this thing's got a super loud exhaust. Cam update. Runs good. Really, like I said, nothing's changed, and I'll keep you guys updated when I do more things, if I do more things. Hope you guys are liking the Assetto Corsa videos. If you don't, let me know. Actually, I really don't care. I'm not in YouTube for subscribers anymore. I've turned my subscriber things off, or you know, the subscriber count off. So if you don't like my videos, I don't care. I don't care. So yeah, if you want to keep watching, follow along if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.